Hello again, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another drink video. So today's drink, I'm going to be making a sour green apple blue raspberry lemonade frozen cocktail. So what I'm going to be using in this drink is the blue raspberry lemonade Kool-aid and the green apple Kool-aid. And I have the sour Smirnoff green apple and the berry lemon Smirnoff. So I have my ice in my blender, and to each cup I added my Kool-Aid pack and about a half a cup of water and a half a cup of sugar. You can add more to it if you would like. Make it as sweet as you would like it. Go ahead and get that in my blender. Gonna pour in my bottles. They didn't have any big ones in these, so I just had to use the little ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it blended up, but I'm not gonna use these. And I'm gonna choose my ice drink buttons. Two times. And if your slush isn't thick enough like you want it, just add ice. And just keep blending it until it gets to the consistency that you want it to be. All right, so I'm gonna go in with each color. I'm gonna put the dome caps on. Just gonna put my straws in. And there you have it, guys. My sour green apple blue raspberry lemonade slush. So I hope you all enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.